Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Kraken, step by step. First, you'll need to create an account. Visit the Kraken website or app and register with a valid email address. After that, verify your email and set a strong, unique password to secure your new account. Finally, complete the identity verification process to unlock all features and higher funding limits. This ensures a smooth and secure experience from the beginning. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. Kraken offers various deposit methods, including traditional bank transfers and direct cryptocurrency deposits. Simply navigate to the funding section, select your preferred option, and follow the clear instructions provided. Always double-check all deposit details, such as bank account numbers or crypto wallet addresses, to ensure your funds arrive safely and without any unnecessary delays. With funds in your account, you're ready to start trading. Head over to the Buy Crypto or Trade section within the Kraken platform. Here, you can easily select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase or sell and specify the amount. Before finalizing, always take a moment to review your order details, including the price and fees. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to complete your trade. To keep your Kraken account secure, always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Make it a habit to regularly review your account activity and settings for any unusual behavior. And speaking of making things better, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Stay safe and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.